So previously I unboxed the Yeezy 350s, the non-reflective all black joints, and I love those sneakers. But today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy 700s. And yeah, now these ones here didn't really go too crazy as the 350s, but we're going to unbox it. We're going to take a look at them. We're going to try them out, all that good stuff. Do not open with sharp instrument. Now, you don't want to, penetrate. You don't want to puncture the sneaker and ruin your entire sneakers. But what I'm going to do, because this tape is pretty strong, I'm going to unbox it very, very gentle. And let's see how they look for the first time. I love sneakers so much, man. I know I don't make that much sneaker videos, but I really do love sneakers. And yes, look at these, guys. These are so wavy. Look at that, man. I still like my 350s way better. I know the Wave Runners, if they restock those, maybe I might cop. But these right here, I like the design of it. And I'm curious to see how these feel compared to the 350s. Some saying these are more comfortable than 350s. And as in the inside, you guys can see Yeezy, Adidas. Beautiful looking sneaker. You got the Adidas branding on the bottom. Alright guys, so now stand by. I'm going to try these on. I'm going to give my opinions on it, my first impressions. Of course, I'm going to take some shots, some B-roll. So you guys don't want to miss that. Keep on watching. I'm shooting this video in glorious 60 frames per second so you guys can see the movement. It's nice and fluid. So yeah, stand by. Now anytime you buy a fresh pair of sneakers, it don't matter if it's Yeezys or not, you want to buy some socks. I don't know why I was calling these the Vantas. They're the Vantas. I don't know why I was doing that. I should really shoot this entire video, but I'm not going to do that, man. I apologize. I don't know why I was saying Vantas. They're the Vantas. Now, if you're going to get these, get them true to your size, because these run a little bit big on me. And honestly, these are my brothers, but me and my brother, we wear the same exact size. Yeah, so try to get them true to size. I normally wear a size 8.5. That's my sneaker size. But if you get in the 350s, which I am going to make a video on that, well, I'm making the video the same time as this, get those a size larger, half a size larger. These are not really selling too much. They might be available at the Yeezy supply store, maybe. If not, the scalpers are not killing you guys too crazy. They're not, overpricing these. So if you really like these, this is the time to buy it. And maybe if you want, wait a little longer until the price goes down with the scalpers, then it's probably going to be better. But overall, this is a clean, wicked sneaker. We have the gum bottoms coming out this month, actually. Me, personally, I would still love the 350s better than the 700s. That's just me. That's just my opinion, honestly. But, hey, this is you. This is me. Now, I wouldn't really wear these every single day. Maybe you could, but these are my daily drivers. These are something that I wear every day. Size 8.5. They're comfortable. But these, honestly, they might even be similar to the Huaraches, honestly. But, yeah. Yeah, so that's the Yeezy 700 V2 Vantas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Till next time, I'm going to hit you guys with the Yeezys. Bah!